welcome to Dweebo Plays. Yes, today I wanted to play with some of my animals. Yes, so I went through my animal bins, and this is one of the first ones that I found. Isn't he cute? He's not a baby pig, but he's definitely not an adult pig. No, he's not a grown-up pig yet. Once upon a time, there was this beautiful farm out on the edge of the woods. And on that farm, there was a mama pig. Mama said to her little baby, "It's time to eat your dinner."
Mama, I'm not hungry.
"But you must eat to grow big and strong," Mama Pig said. And it's time for you to go to bed after that.
But I want to go play with my older brother and the other kids.
You'll have time to play with them tomorrow. In walked the farmer's dog. Mrs. Pig, the sun is going down. There are many dangerous creatures about. You had better bring your children in. It's time for everyone to go inside. Thank you, Mr. Dog. Tell the farmer that dinner was particularly nice this evening. Oh, I will tell him. All right, you go on inside now, little one.
Oh, all right. If you say so, Mr. Dog.
All right, have a good night. Hey, guys, I know you're having a nice chat and all, but the sun is going down, and, well, Mr. Dog, I'd say we're pretty safe behind these stables. Mrs. Sheep, she may want to go on in. Oh, yes, I'll go get my sons. I do want to go in. There are many dangerous creatures out there. Junior? Hello, boys. Junior?
Yeah, Mom?
All right, little piggy. It's time for you to go inside. Go on now.
Yes, Mama.
I'll be in a minute, as soon as I get your brother. Parker, it's time for you to come inside.
Oh, come on, Mom. I want to play with the guys. The sun's not down yet. There's still a lot of fun we could have. Why do I have to go to bed now? We could stay up late, can't we?
Son, it's time to come home for dinner.
Hey, my mom just called me home. It was fun playing with you, buddy. I'll see you tomorrow.
Yes, come inside. Make sure to wash your hooves.
I'm coming, Mom.
My son listens so well.
I'm home. What are we having for dinner?
Oh, it's your favorite. Chocolate milk. Hoo, said the barn owl. It's getting dark. Hoo. Come on now, son. It's time to go in.
Oh, all right, Mom, but I'm a big boy now. I should be able to go out and do things on my own like big pigs.
Oh, son, you are big, but you have a lot of growing to do. So for now, you need to listen to me. Is that clear?
Well, why can't I just keep playing with my friends and do what I want to do? Never get to have any fun.
Parker Pig, you go to bed right now.
You never listen to me, Mom. I don't even like it here on the farm anymore.
Oh, Parker, you don't know what you're saying. Life here on the farm is as wonderful as it gets for a couple of pigs like us.
Yeah, but, Mom, there's a whole world out there I want to see. I want to just go do what I want. Why do I have to wait until I get bigger? I'm big enough now.
You still have some growing to do, and we can talk about it once we're inside. We'll have a story and a snack. Come on. Parker was about to make a bad decision. Little Parker thought to himself,
I don't really like it here on the farm anymore. People always telling me what to do. I'd rather be out on my own. That's it, I'm gone.
And so Parker began to make his way off of the farm. And that's when he ran into, Mr. Goose.
Hello, Parker. What are you doing out here tonight? You should be inside.
Yes, you should be inside. The sun is going down, Parker.
Yeah, I'm going in a minute.
Oh, well, all right. I hope he's all right. It was a beautiful day, wasn't it? Parker made his way out to the edge of the forest.
Hey, Parker, is that you? What are you doing out here away from the farm? You should be getting ready for bed by now. Oh, hey, Mr. Squirrel. Now I can do what I want, 'cause I'm a big pig, and I can do things that big pigs can do. Bye-bye.
Boy, that kid is gonna get himself into trouble if he doesn't start listening. And so Parker went even deeper into the woods, and he found himself in the company of a couple of skunks.
What are you doing out here, little one? You startled me. I almost sprayed you. What are you doing out here? It's almost dark. I appreciate your concern, but I'm a big pig, and so I can do what big pigs do. Have a good night, Mr. and Mrs. Skunk. Thanks for not spraying me.
That boy's going to get himself into trouble if he doesn't start listening. And he shouldn't go that way. Never go that way. And Parker continued on into the woods.
It's not fair, I tell you. I beat you by a long shot.
Oh, come on now. You know I beat you. Don't have any hard feelings about it. You're very fast.
I'm the fastest rabbit around. I'm the fastest anything around. It doesn't make any sense. Am I interrupting something? Yeah. We ran this race today and... never mind. What are you doing out here, kid? It's getting dark. You know, there's all kinds of scary predators out here.
I'll see you later, Mr. Hare. Don't worry, you can cut me a check tomorrow.
Listen, kid, I'm serious. There's a lot of bad guys around here. You should be back on the farm with your mom. What are you doing out here? Listen, Mr. Hare, I appreciate your concern and your advice. But respectfully, I want you to know that I'm a big pig, and I can do what big pigs do. So I hope you have a good evening, sir. Good night.
Yeah. That kid's gonna get himself into trouble if he doesn't start listening. And so Parker moved on, feeling very confident about his decision. Then came upon Mr. Beaver.
Hey, Mr. Beaver, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm sawing into this log so I can build my house with it. You see, that's what us beavers do. We like to build things out of sticks and logs. Hey, what are you doing out here, kid? Shouldn't you be home? It's getting dark.
I am tired of everyone telling me what to do. Mr. Beaver, I appreciate your concern and all, but I'm a big pig, and I can do what big pigs do. Have a good night.
That boy is going to get himself into trouble if he doesn't start listening. He shouldn't be going into the woods, especially after dark. I'd better get home to my young ones. Oh, Parker. He was warned again, and he still wouldn't listen. What a stubborn little pig Parker is. And then he found himself in a place he'd never been before.
I've never been here before. This is exciting. But it is getting dark. It's kind of scary. Maybe I should go back. No, I need to keep going. I need to prove that I'm brave, and that I'm a big pig, and that I can do what big pigs do.
And Parker was starting to get so scared he began to cry.
What if I can't find my way home? What if I get lost out here? What if I run into one of those bad animals? They might really like themselves to have a pig like me for dinner.
And that's when one of those bad animals appeared. I'm Mr. Wolf, and I would love a nice big pig for dinner. Mr. Wolf was hungry. You look like a nice big pig. Oh, Parker had finally met one of the predators that everyone had been warning him about. It was a wolf. And as you may know, a wolf is a carnivore. Yes, that means a wolf eats meat.
You don't want to eat me, Mr. Wolf. I'm not a big pig. I'm a little pig. I'm hardly even a meal. I shouldn't even be out here, actually. I gotta go home. It was really nice to meet you, but my mom, she's making dinner, and I gotta go.
And Parker ran, and he 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 ran, until he found himself in a place he'd never, ever been.
That wolf almost got me. Wait a minute. Now where am I? This land is very strange. I've never seen these trees before. What are all those sounds? I'm really scared.
I'm really scared.
He looks like he's from out of town. Suddenly, Parker looked up and saw a wizard. What are you doing out here in this jungle? Why, you shouldn't be here. You should be at home on the farm.
Yes, yeah, Mr. Wizard. I'm lost. I left home and I shouldn't have left. I should have listened to my mom. And now I'm so far away from home. And I don't know how I'm going to get back, and I'm so scared.
Why, little pig, if you had listened to your mother, you'd not find yourself in this situation. It seems that you have learned your lesson, so it is time to go home. And with that, the wizard used some of his magic. It's time to go home.
What just happened? Where am I? Wait a minute. This looks familiar. It sounds familiar. Am I? I'm home. I'm home. I'm home. I can't believe I'm home. I'm home. Oh, everything smells so great. And oh, how I missed being on the farm. I love the farm so much. Hello, fence. Hello, red barn. Oh, boy, I sure love the farm. Hello, Mom.
Parker Pig, you scared your mother half to death. What do you have to say for yourself?
Oh, Mom, I'm sorry I ran away from the farm. I should have listened to you. And I need to wait until I'm a big pig to do big pig things.
Oh, Parker, you will have the rest of your life to be a big pig. For right now, just enjoy being exactly who you are and where you are, surrounded by those that love you.
I love the farm, and I'll never run away again, ever.
Come now, let's go to bed. Your little brother is excited to see you.
Boy, I sure do love my home and my family. I am one lucky big pig.
Parker?
Oh, yes, Mom?
Parker sure learned a lot of lessons out there, didn't he? He learned about listening, yes, and the importance of not running off without a grown-up, especially when you're being told not to. Well, thanks for joining me today for another episode of Dweebo Plays. We'll see you next time.
DWE